Welcome to day 4 of the 30-day Leadership Momentum Challenge. Today, we are going to look at building momentum daily. So, I started with 2 minutes every morning. Let me tell you what I'm saying. For years, I would rush into my office, quickly get dressed, drop the kids, make a cup of coffee, walk with a coffee, and listening to voice notes, checking my emails before I've even had my cup of coffee. And I would start reacting to everything and posting out instructions and just letting go and starting the day without really being intentional about it. One morning, I tried something new, something small, and I would have a 2-minute intentional focus before I even open my laptop. So, as a leader, I want to ask you, what kind of leader do you want to be today? What is the intention before you start barking out instructions and leading everybody because there's so many things to be done? So, when I started doing the 2-minute intentional focus, the first week, I have to be honest, I think half of the time I forgot to do it, but I kept on doing it.